Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking the Aventador silhouette so proportions read correctly. Start with a low, wide rectangle for the wheelbase because this defines stance and balance. Once done, place 2 wheel circles, rear slightly forward of center, to set the car's aggressive rake. Next, draft the roofline and windshield as simple angled trapezoids. These guide window height and cabin volume. Make light strokes so you can adjust. This stage is about establishing major planes and getting the sport's proportions right before adding detail. Now refine the body by carving panel lines and sharp creases that define the Aventador's character. You should use straight and angular geometry. Draw the pronounced shoulder crease from headlight to rear haunch and map the fender lines to show muscle. Once those are placed, refine wheel arches, mark the scissor door seam, and sketch large side intakes. These control airflow and visual weight. Add headlight envelopes, hood vents, and mirror mounts. These details transform a silhouette into a believable high-performance car. For the final pass, decide on a light source and render reflections and core shadows to sell volume. Use softer shading on curved panels and harder contrast on folded creases. Highlights on sharp edges make the metal read correctly. Tighten your line work, erase construction marks, and add cast shadow under the car to ground it. If the proportions look wrong, make sure to step back. Flip the page or trace a corrected overlay. This lets you spot asymmetry and fix errors without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.